Hi my friends, welcome back. I'm George Pierce and I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this week's gift is a twofer, and it's for YouTubers. It's a YouTube twofer. So it includes two giveaways. One is YouTube Quick Start, and that in my opinion is just perfect for beginners. The second giveaway is called Tubepreneur, and it's just incredible, and I think this is something that can help anybody and everybody that's on YouTube. Just a reminder, this channel is about growing a YouTube channel and making money online as an affiliate. If either of those are of interest to you, hit that subscribe button. Do that right now. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on these videos. I do want to share a little story before we get started about Carrie. The name of the story is The Blonde is Right. Carrie is an attractive blonde, and she's often the brunt of dumb blonde jokes. Well, now there's one thing about Carrie that you should know about, and that's the fact that she's going to fight back. Before you crack a dumb blonde joke in front of Carrie, you better think twice. A recent example of what I'm talking about happened just a couple of days ago. Last weekend, Carrie went to a comedy club with some of her friends, and one of the acts was a ventriloquist, a real funny ventriloquist act. The ventriloquist was Walt. His name was Walt, and the little guy's name is Disney. So Walt and Disney is the name of the act. And he was really good. He was really funny. Partway through the act, he got into blonde jokes, dumb blonde jokes. There must have been at least a half a dozen blonde jokes in a row, one after another, just kind of rapid fire. And of course, Carrie, she wasn't going to sit there and take that. So the first chance she got, she interrupted the comedy act, and she was loud and clear. And she began to hurl questions like, you believe that the color of someone's hair actually has anything to do with the level of their intelligence? Isn't that as bad as stereotyping? Isn't that as bad as discrimination? So the ventriloquist began to apologize, but Carrie wasn't going to have any of that. And Carrie said, you stay out of this, Walt. I'm talking to Disney. So let's get back to my weekly giveaway. Just a little bit of information about Quick Start. If you are a new tuber, if you're a small channel, I think this book's going to really help you and your channel. What you see here is a table of contents, and the reason why I'm sharing that with you is that you can see that this ebook is essentially 10 tips, and these are just killer tips that every new YouTuber needs to know. Now, my other giveaway is called Tubepreneur, and it is absolutely awesome. It is a video training series, and I believe it'll help anyone and everyone that's on YouTube. It's broken down into modules and folders. As you can see, it's going to cover everything from affiliate marketing, which are ways that you can monetize your channel. It's going to help you to be able to, from affiliate marketing to subs, to growing your subs, to giving you kind of a blueprint, an overall blueprint, income streams, recurring income, sponsorships, and channel traffic. And each of those modules is a complete training series, a video training series. And this is the affiliate, just a snapshot of the affiliate marketing module. So what this simply means is you're getting extreme value with this giveaway. And the affiliate marketing training alone has 8 videos, and there's 6 more training courses that are included. Also included are our sales page, sales letter, squeeze page, e-covers, and so on. Since it comes with resale rights, you have permission to use this for building your list or even for sales. And the link to my giveaway is https://cutley.ly/2TWO-FER. If you got any value out of this video, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. I'd appreciate it. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're going to get notified when these videos are published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.